What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at XRP. Now, for the XRP, I kind of have a little bit of issue with XRP right now, which I'm thinking that this might be one of the challenges that XRP might have to face long term, not short term. So I will definitely discuss that with each and every one of us later, but for now, let's analyze this particular chart right here. You could see that my analysis kind of came to pass, whereby you could see us breaking above this resistance, and our price target is definitely at $3.14. So very good to see. Now, with the look of things, we could see that from the daily time frame right here, we still have to expect a pullback on XRP. Yes, a pullback is to be expected. You could see, first things foremost, we broke above this major resistance right here. Yes, we broke above this major resistance, and you could see that what is to be expected is a support. We definitely need to correction is to be expected. So we might get a pump all the way to $3.24. Then we'll get a pullback all the way down to $3. Yeah, 3.0046. We'll find support around this level right here. Then we could rally much higher, find support around rally much higher. This is to be expected today. Yes, we first of all have to retest 3.24 before heading towards the downside. I don't see us having to break above this resistance anytime soon. So this is to be expected, and yeah, when you expect this, do not panic. Now, when it comes to the news, this is definitely what I have to discuss about. First and foremost, just in Tether to launch US based stablecoin now, which is known as USAT, which is definitely known as USAT, guys. Now let us talk about this USAT. Let me open this link just for us to take a deep understanding of what this USAT currently is. So now we could see that Tether has announced USAT, a new stablecoin that will be regulated in the US. Now we all knew that Tether was not majorly a US project because US had a lot of regulations against cryptocurrency up until now that Trump has taken over the administration. So we definitely know what that means. Trump passed the three the three crypto acts that were definitely approved, and with the look of things, it seems like Tether has finally moved back to the US, and because Tether didn't have the support or the audience from the US audience, yes, or the mass, through that there was no much adoption from the US consumers, but now there is enough mass adoption of the USDT. So that was the reason why they were able to launch this USAT token or USAT stablecoin for easy transaction. So this is more like sending payment through PayPal and Venmo or Cash App and all whatnot. So USAT is actually something faster, I guess. So now Tether has announced USAT, a new stablecoin that will be regulated in the US under the Genius Act. Bohins, who headed the Presidential Council of Advisors for Digital Assets, has also been appointed CEO of the Tether US, the firm's new US-focused business. USAT will join USDT as another stablecoin offering. This is crazy, guys. The simultaneous introduction of both the token and CEO reflects Tether's commitment to delivering a US regulated dollar-backed stablecoin backed by transparent reserves, strong governance, and American leadership from day one. Tether said in in a Friday statement, USDT is already a premium stablecoin offering. Already a premium stablecoin offering from Tether with a market cap of over $169 billion. However, unlike its predecessor, USAT is designed for businesses. Businesses, guys, that is why I'm having to like touch this on the XRP video, for businesses and institutions operating under a US regulatory framework. According to Tether, users will utilize Tether's proprietary tokenization platform, Hadron Crypto Bank Anchorage Digital will be the issuer of USAT, while Cantor Fitzgerald will act as the reserve custodian and preferred primary dealer of the stablecoin. USAT will join a surging stablecoin market, which is already up over 30% in market cap this year, with the Tether's USDT heading the charge. So it's a whole lot, guys, because for over a decade, Tether, as a creator of the stablecoin industry, has issued USDT, the backbone of the digital economy, and today the US dollar stablecoin for hundreds of millions of underserved people living in emerging markets, proving that digital assets can deliver trust, resilience, and freedom on a global scale, said Paola Adonio, CEO of Tether. So, there's a whole lot to go through. Now, my question right now is, if this is actually going to be launched for this purpose, then what is now what is now the reason for, what is it called, XRP in the big banking institutions and all whatnot? Because when XRP was launched in 2012, that was actually one of the reasons, the main utility, the main use case for XRP. When it comes to Swift and all whatnot, I've forgotten how that went, but XRP has been topping the charts by holding strongly to bigger institutions, being able to use a middleman, or yes, being able to use a middleman, which XRP being the middleman to hold Swift transactions and all whatnot. But now that USAT is here, I think that this will definitely be a lot of challenge for XRP. But I think that when challenges like this arise, I definitely do not expect the XRP team to be folding their hands, crossing their legs, and doing nothing. They will definitely be cooking something too, because yes, I think that challenge or competitions like this in the market definitely brings about what should I call it? Brings about healthy competitions like this. Definitely brings the best out of this project. So I think very soon we'll definitely see XRP doing a lot more than what we've basically known it to be doing, because XRP, apart from XRP having something to do with bigger institutions, XRP has just been there. It has not actually developed in terms of AI. It has not been following a whole lot of narrative. So it's just the community that have been holding XRP, which I can't deny. The community has been amazing. Yes, the community has definitely been amazing. But moving forward right now, USAT is definitely not here to play. Yes, so we definitely do not expect the XRP team to cross their arms or cross their leg and watch USAT take their source of livelihood from them at this point. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.